Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at the 9/4 watches Culture Chronograph 2. Before I look at the watch, let's take a quick look at the packaging. It comes with this outer sleeve and then a padded box here. Looks like the same box as what I had for my 9/4 successor. Actually, I don't think this is a production model, as the pre-order is coming up next month, which is April the 24th. And that pre-order price is $175, which I think is a great value for this watch. There's, I think, at least 8 different colorways, and there's some with a rotating bezel. I think those are actually a little bit less expensive. But I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. Go check them out. So this is the full Loom Panda dial, so-called Panda because of the black subdials with the white face. And actually this is the red. They have a blue one as well, so the second hand is red. Actually, let's activate this, get the chronograph going. So this is using the Seiko Mecha Quartz movement, the I think it's the VK64. Yes, VK64 Mecha Quartz movement. It does have a domed sapphire crystal. It is a very slight dome. You can kind of see it there. So dome crystal, Seiko Mecha Quartz. There's a nice rally style leather strap with quick release pins. Looks like a new 9/4 logo there. So on the case back it says 9/4 watches, VK64 movement, 100 meter water resistant, and stainless steel case, 316L stainless steel. This is not a screw down crown, but it doesn't affect the water resistance. 100 meter water resistance is very good to have for an everyday watch. Perfectly fine with that. So there's the signed crown. That new logo again, which is also present on the dial here. And I guess these are called modern Arabic numerals. I've not had a watch with these before, but they're everywhere on this. Every numeral is this modern Arabic numeral. Even the 100 meter there, 100 meter water resistant. Those are applied, and then there's the little applied pips there as well. I believe those are Loom pips. We'll check out the Loom together. I have not looked at that myself, other than in the unboxing. I just hit it with my UV light. So let's go over the dimensions before I forget. It's a very good size for my wrist, my 6.5 inch wrist. So lug to lug on this is 48.3. Case diameter is 40. And thickness on this is 13. Maybe a little bit thick, but it's really not that bad for a everyday or a weekend watch. And lug width on this is 20. So you can have fun changing out your straps on this, especially since these are quick release. This leather strap feels just fine though. Crown size is, it's a good size. It's 7mm crown. So let's get this on wrist, and then we can check out the Loom. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment below. Let me know which color you're planning on getting with this. Like the video. Every like and subscription helps a lot. So here we are on my 6.5 inch wrist with 52mm wristband, and lug to lug again is 48.3. I think it's a good looking watch. Those modern Arabic numerals are a little bit different. Let's zoom all the way out here. Sorry about that. For a little bit different perspective. And then we'll take a look at the subdials again. I did not mention which subdial does what. So I think it works well on my wrist. And I still have one more hold position left. So if your wrist is slightly smaller than 6.5, this will still work for you. Let's take a look at those subdials and then we can close out the video with the loom. Let me stop the running seconds. And then we'll reset it with this lower pusher and you'll see it snap right back. So the subdial on the right is your 24-hour indicator. And then the one on the left, well, I should have pointed out before I reset it, but the one on the left is your chronograph minutes, your elapsed minute. And those are subdials. They are set down below the surface of the dial, the main dial. So let's look at it compared to my SKX. It is slightly smaller, the diameter is, but the lug-to-lug is a little bit longer. All right, let's pause the video and we can check out the loom. All right, so here we have the loom of the 9/4 watches Culture Chronograph 2, sorry. The full loom dial is not nearly as bright as what it looks like on screen. It's a little disappointing, but maybe the full production model will be a little bit brighter. And those are loom pips next or around the modern Arabic indices. Kind of an interesting choice. Usually with a full loom dial, the blacked out numerals show you where you are on the dial. And then of course on the right we have my Seiko Skx171, and the loom on this 9/4 watch is C3 Super Luminova. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.